So here's how to add products onto your Shopify product page. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now from the left panel you have to go to the products option. After that, here at this page, click on add product button to create a new product listing. Here it also allows you the option to import products from another store. If you are drop shipping, then you can simply click on the import products option. At this page, you have to fill in the necessary product details, including the title, description, images, price, and any other relevant information. Add a detailed description of your product and add information that your potential buyer must know about the product. If your product has different options, for example size, colors, click on the add variant button to create these variations. Enter the inventory quantity and SKU stock keeping unit for each variant if applicable. Now assign the product to collections to help customers find it easily. Shopify allows you to add relevant tags to improve product searchability within your store. Now configure the shipping settings for the product, including weight, dimensions, and shipping class. Choose whether the product is published and visible on your online store. Save your changes as draft or click the publish button to make the product live on your store. After publishing, preview the product page on your store to make sure everything looks as expected. So here's how to add products to Shopify product page.